Hello friends, good afternoon. In this video now I'm going to discuss about the share market. What is share market and myth about the share market, because many of us we know share market is risky and also that myth I'm going to burst here. So let us start. Before that, if you are not subscribed the channel, please like, share, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. Let us start now. What is share market? Share market, which is securities are bought and sold. It is the exchange. So where you can buy the securities and you can sell the security. Many companies they will keep their shares there, and you can buy means you become a holder of that company, shareholder of that company. You are the owner of that company. You are selling. If the on the profit basis, what is the profit margin you are selling? It is a exchange. So share market is a kind of a exchange. You can in which securities are bought and sold. So there are many myths regarding the share market. So I'm going to bust today. Now, first myth: share market is highly risky. Is it? If you see the professionals, they will tell it is not risky, but some extent it is a risky because some of the banks will be bankrupt overnight. So some extent it is risky, but not all the aspects. So share market, it is not at all a risky. Some extent, not all the aspects. So you can invest if you have proper knowledge and proper analysis. You can invest in share market. So second myth: you require high knowledge about the finance. That is also myth, because there are many investors who don't have knowledge about that level of knowledge about finance, who are engineers and who are a lot of are undergraduate, even students also. Many students, if you see the Warren Buffett and all, they are whatever they are the legend in share market, that we don't need to speak, because they have started investing in 11th their 11th year onwards only they started. So myth number 2, that is you require high finance knowledge. Not required. If you have basic knowledge also, if you know the analysis, how you can analyze this, how you can check the company, which shares you are going to invest. Before investing, you have to check last 5 years what company performed and coming 5 years what company will perform, balance sheet, profit and loss account, whatever the stocks, how it is going in the market, is it demand, it is they are giving the quality, what is the expenses. If you know the checking, what is the company level, what is the company grade, so you can invest. That is not a you don't need to require high knowledge about the finance. So this is the second myth. Anyone can trade, anyone can invest in the share market. Third myth: small investor cannot make money from stock market. This is also again myth. Small investors cannot make any money from stock market. You can invest 100 rupees also, because many investor, if you see Ramakrishna Damani and all, these are undergraduate and they started with a small amount and they are now millionaires. So it is not required. You require huge capital and huge amount, then only you can invest and come out from it. So it is not. You can invest small level also. If you're a student, if you have 100 rupees also, you can invest. But if you have everyone tell that we are experts in stock market, as my analysis, whatever you have money levels, like if you have 1 lakh, in that you can invest 5 to 10%, maximum 15%, not all the amount, because there is a risk, but you require proper analysis and knowledge. If you are going to invest in long term, then there is a risk level is very less. You will end up with a profit. So in coming videos, I will discuss intraday trading or long term trading, different levels of trading, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, what is the NSE, BSE. So many terminology are there, I am going to discuss. So this is the 3 myth. The share market investment is highly risky. No, it is not correct, it is a myth. You require high finance knowledge. No, you require basic knowledge. Third, small investor cannot make money. It is also myth. You can start with a small amount and you can earn properly in this if you have knowledge. So this is 3 myths you can remove from your mind. This is it, guys. If you like the video and if you are feeling the videos are informative, so please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.